Welcome all viewers and subscribers to the trendy dancehall, you see me? So naturally before we jump into everything, me I gotta ask to subscribe if you haven't as yet, you see me? So alright.
Shante, I carry her soap them that was given to her. And Shante, see, and the tissue, one case of tissue. I come on, make you see what I go on. I hear so the kitchen I go come, no so? Right here, so Shan kitchen I go come. We now have it. The place pretty in Shan. Ready for the window them guys, want to see what I go on. No, Auntie Donna. Me say, man, why you make a little fence or something because it's a precipice this gone down yonder. I don't want to put them roll go down there. See it how passion. Window jam and door jam I do today. So the man them do the work. Them do them in a stage, the roof, window jam, door jam. Did you get the ilty? Because you so want to dig down?
Yeah, they do want chip off and yeah, so out there so we can get a tall man.
Eh?
And I tall man right over the wall, yes.
Alright, so window jam and door jam do. Alright, when I come so I go on yonder there. Thank you, Jesus, it a come on. After this, no, I don't want nothing drop for my clothes. After we finish with the render in our floor next. I remember pass now. The bathroom render already? Yes, guys, see this stone over there at the corner no long. You're not going to dress up yourself for me?
Yeah, but you guys make call if you mix some mark after me flash up, we don't see.
How would them put for work with you? How would that? When I plan kind of, I don't want to get my money when I bring you work up here, you know. Wow, bathroom pretty, guys. Shall need tile for the bathroom now. Tile for the floor. We're going to chip off one of them parts at the house top where you see a belly. I'm going to chip off and smooth out. The man them are going to fix it. Because the other man them, the lady, something wrong. So the outside render and smooth. So Shan do away, them are fix it up. But the cement them there. Oh, them left the cement down there, so them serene and judo.
You know, fly yesterday.
So I'll never make somebody bring them up. But you should have made, hey, my man, work now, bring them up for me now, me pay on you. You can bring them up? Bring them up right now for me, yeah? Alright. So, una take out the door, yes, right? I want to work on the whole I door jam them for me. Be a planka work it go on. And the window something then. So Sean get the soap, big up the people them will give the soap. People pay for cement and 200 block. That's me know about so far. So the door them have the plastic still upon it, guys. Brand new door. We're gonna get them put in proper this strip. So Shante room, next room ready. Window jam, then we just have the major work, minor work left to do. Then we do the floor. Then we put in the window them and start tile and do outside. But we have to run with the kitchen. We never know how housework take money. Anyway, Sean. Where baby there? Oh, Granny. Come Marcia, come hold this for me. Alright, come Sean. No, I don't know. Sit down. Oh, yeah. Turn on the fan now.
You no longer like me now?
You don't know light?
No, I feel what's the like me and your heart.
Electrician soon come start up the place. Shante $8,000 from Wilby or Whitby, WHITBY, Ontario. Mind the baby drop off my bed.
Sit down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Shante 8,000 from WD in England. WD in England. Pat them in, I don't want to pat them in the rain and wet them in. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah.
5, 6, 7.
Shante 12,000 from St. Hughes girl. How are the plan car galang up there? Eh? Come on. Shante, 6,000 from lady that love children. What are they wanting to you? Chisel? Oh. You count the 6,000? Shante, 7,500 from MG, New York. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No man, Shante, come we go out the door. Me a bun up in here, me can't take it. No light, no there. Come. Me a make water just a run off for me, so. Hold on there, daddy. Oh, come Shante, go on. I don't want to see them bus up, you know. I want the whole of them move for out the road. Me rasta ja. Come, here. Out here so cooler. We say no sit down on it. Come. Look how Shana sweat. Shante, 6,000 from Long Island, girl. Move out there with the man and pass with the thing. The whole of here, so I'm going to make it level off. Come over here, so Shante. Go around that side there. Merciful Father. I make a little passageway here, so. If camera not up here, you have right for you. You don't see your face white, like a white folder, your body black. Yeah, you have right for the one nobody see you. Shante, 6,000 from Sleepy, Laverne, Victoria, and Shakira. Which one? Me say 6. Give me 16. Jesus, sorry. I look at it and see it, Marcia. 16,000 from Sleepy, Laverne, and Victoria. I'm going to tap on the knives up there. Shante, 14,000 from Soupy. Shante, 20,000 from Natalie and the Canadian group of friends them. Shante, 6,000 from Shane in Florida. Shane in Florida. Me pasta jam me abon up. Shante, 10,000 from a Willing Art. Willing Art. I'm going to buy this black on there. Shante, 30,000 from to Sweet Soft Treat in a PHHS crew. It's from Sweet Soft Treat and PHS crew.
Come take this. Come no man. Put it in, brother.
Yeah? Yeah? My little thing head up there. Stop it. You can't start them something, man. I work here, so no man.
Move no excuse.
How about no man? You just come and off up on yourself with no nice. Shante, 4,000 from Shemar, Canada. Like that? Alright, Shante, we are saying. And big up the people them for this material, the black and the cement them. And the soap and the something. Yeah.
Thanks, Father God, again.
Yeah, and your house will come on nicely. And we're going to do more work that week here, give God thanks. When we come video again, I'm supposed to see the kitchen structure fly up. And the bathroom. So anybody want to get toilet bowl, sink, you can purchase them from the hardware. Alright, bless.